Hi boys and girls, Miss Brown here, and you are watching this video on April 14th, 2020. Today our guiding question is, what are some strategies to determine if a number is even? Well, the first strategy I'm going to teach you today is pairing. The second strategy is counting by twos. So, let's go over our application problem. It says eggs come in cartons of 12. Use pictures, numbers, or words to explain whether 12 is even or not even. Well, first of all, we need a carton of eggs. So here are our carton of eggs. Eggs come in 12. So we are going to use the first strategy, which is pairing, to determine if this number is even or not even. Now, when you think about the word pairing, you can't help but to think about the word pair. So what does this word pairing mean? Think about a pair of shoes, a pair of pants. How about a pair of glasses or a pair of socks? What do you think about when you think of these items? Yes, you guessed it, the number 2. Okay, so we're going to see if we can pair these eggs. If we're able to pair all of these eggs, which means we're going to group them by twos without any eggs left out, then we know that the number 12 or any other number that we choose to do is even. So I'm going to get my marking pen here. Start marking. I'm going to pair these eggs. Here's a pair. 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 And here's a pair. So it looks like I don't have any other eggs left out of a pair. So since I'm able to do that, that lets me know that the number 12 is actually an even number. Now, a second strategy is counting by twos. So if I'm able to count by twos all of these eggs without any being left over, then I know that the number 12 is even as well. So I have 2. Well, maybe I should start at the beginning. 2, 4, 6, 8, and notice I'm counting them by twos. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, 8, and then I have 10, and then these two will equal 12. Do I have any eggs left over? No, they're all counted. Therefore, the number 12 again is even. So I can actually use this strategy on any amount of objects. Let's see. I'm going to do another carton, but I won't do a carton of 12. Let's see. Let's do a carton of 4. Okay, so we have our carton of 4 eggs. Eggs really do not come in cartons of 4. I'm just doing this. I'm trying to determine if this number is odd or even. Let's use the pairing strategy. You go ahead and use the pairing strategy to determine if 4, the number 4, because we have 4 eggs, determine if this is even or not even, using the pairing strategy. Okay, again, we said if we can pair them, this is a pair, that's 2. And this is a pair, that's 2. And there's nothing left over. Therefore, this number 4 is actually even. Now we're going to use the counting by 2 strategy. 2, 4, and I have finished counting all the eggs. And there are no eggs left out, so therefore this number 4 is even. So there you are, the pairing strategy and the counting by 2 strategy to determine whether a number is even or not even. Okay, let's move on to more practice of this strategy. It says pair the objects to decide if the number of objects is even. So pause this video and go ahead and do that. Okay, you should have paired the hearts. Doesn't matter which ones you pair as long as there's 2 in a group. So looks like there are none left out. So this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is even. And we circle even. Pause this video and do the stars and the smiley faces. Determine if these numbers, this number of stars and this number of smiley faces, determine if they're even or not even. Remember, you're using the pairing strategy. Okay, we're back, and let's pair the stars. It's 2, that's 2, 2, 2, 2. Uh-oh, we have one that's by itself. So does this mean that this number is even or not even? Yes, you guessed it. This number is not even. And what about the smiley faces? Let's see. Let's pair these a different way. Let's just connect them. That's 2. That's 2. That's 2. That's 2. 2. 2. 2. And 2. Hey, all of them are paired and there's none left out. So what does that mean? Yes, that means the smiley faces are an even number. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. Remember the strategies of pairing to determine if a number is even or not even. I'll see you next time.